Hello friends, welcome to IBPS guide. So today is day 18 of our session of our series. So today we are taking data interpretation line graph. Okay, so there are many problems asked related to line graph also. All the types of data interpretation are important, so please watch all the videos, and please don't miss the easy videos because they will give you the foundation. And when you understand, because in easy we are discussing the logic we are going to apply in the tough problem as well. Okay, so you have to take 5 questions from, we are taking 5 questions from easy, and our mission is SBI PO 2019. Okay, so let us begin the session. So I recommend you to, while we are solving the problem, please pause the video and try to solve the problem on your own, because it is easy type of problems. Okay, so let us read the directions what it says. So direction is, study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. So number of staffs in 1000 in 2 different banks in 6 different years. Okay, so blue line represent Reserve Bank of India and red represent State Bank of India from year 2011 to 2016. Okay, so let us read what the question says. The number of staff in Reserve Bank of India in the year is 2015 is what percentage increased as compared to the previous year. So Reserve Bank of India is blue color. In 2015 if you see, it is 25. Okay, in previous year means this was 2015. 2014 if you see, it is how much? 20. So our value is 20. So what is the difference? 5 is in as compared to the previous year. To the previous year, so second will be in the bottom, there will be 20. 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th in percentage, as you know, I have told you before, is 25%. Where is it? It is in B. So let us take question number 2. If you see here, if 25% of the staff in the State Bank of India in the year 2014 were females. Okay, 25% is females. What was the number of males in the State Bank of India in the same year? So if 25% is female, so what is the remaining? 100 minus 25 will give you 75. So male would be 75%. So if you know 100% from the here, it is 15k, 15,000. Okay, so what would be 75%? That is, if you follow unitary method, it will be 100 comes here into 75. Okay, so you have to cut this and you have to multiply 75 into 15. So what you have to do is find the product of this would be 2 carry 35 40 2 4 carry 1 7 is 7 11 1125 is your value. So 1125, 10 was remaining, so you could put the 0 here. Where is it? It is in A. Okay, so you could see how simply we are able to solve the problem. Please don't follow this method that you will find 1 by 4th is how much first of 15k, then you will find again 3/4 of this much is how much. That would be a very low method which I am teaching you. Okay, so if you say 100% is this much, 75% would be 11250. Let us see question number 3 what it says. In which year the difference between the number of staff in Reserve Bank of India and the staff in State Bank of India is highest? Okay, so if you see Reserve Bank of India, in which year? Okay, let us see the difference. No need to even raise the pen. If you see the difference here is 10, cannot be. Here also it is 10, this is also 10, this cannot be. You have to find the highest. So here if you see, here is 15, so your value would be 2016. Where is it? It is in C, 2C, 3C. Okay, let us see question number 4. What was the difference between the average number of staff in Reserve Bank of India and State Bank of India in all the 3 years? So what you could do is, how many total is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 by 6, and you have to find the difference between their sum. Okay, so if you see what is they are asking, difference between number of staff in Reserve Bank of India and State Bank of India. So Reserve Bank of India, let us calculate. 10 plus 15 is 25, 25 plus 25 is 50, 50 plus 20 is 70, 70 plus 25 would be 95, 95 plus 5 would be 100, 130. Okay, so we have 130 here. Let us see how much is State Bank of India. So if you see graph, no need to see, let us see what, let us calculate the sum of this. 20 plus 25 would be 45, plus 5 would be 50, plus 30 would be 80, 80 plus 15 would be 95, 95. Okay, 95, 90 plus 30 is 120, that would be 125. Then we have to add 125 plus 20 would be 145. Okay, so 145 will come here and 130 will come here. What you have to do is find the difference, that is 1/6 of 15. Okay, so that is 2, that is 5. So your value is 5 by 2, that is 2.5. This is in K. No, I have not written K because it is obvious. It is no, you have to again cut, it is a waste of time. So K is how much? Into 1000. You could, if you do, you will get here 25000. Okay, where is it? It is in D. Okay, so let us see question number 5. What it says: what is the sum of the number of staff in Reserve Bank of India in year 2013, 2011, 13, 15 together, and the number of staff in the State Bank of India in the year 2012, 14 and 16. Okay, so let us read what it says. Sum of the number of staff in Reserve Bank of India in 2011, if you see, it is 10. At 2013, if you see, it is 25, that would be 35. And again 2015 is how much? 35 plus how much? 25 is how much? 35 plus 5 is 40, plus 20 would be 60. Okay, 60. So let us see again, they're asking sum. So again, State Bank of India, if you see, it is in red. 2012, you see, it is 25. 2014, if you see, it is 15. 25 plus 5 is 30, then it will be 40. Then 2016, you have to add 20, that would be 60. So 60 again. So what is the sum? Is 120. Where do we have 120? It is K, it is in K. Okay, so it is E. So we have completed this session. Hope you have if still you are having some doubt, you can surely mention it in the comment. I'll go through your queries and clear all your doubts. Okay, so let us see. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Before concluding, I would recommend you to please keep practicing mocks, because those are very, very important. Okay, I always say please practice mocks, it is very important. And then you have to practice previous year questions, important. Okay, previous year questions in the sense, if you take any last 10 years, 15 years booklet, you must practice those, and mocks you can find it in the IBPS guide website. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. If you find it knowledgeable, give it a like. Okay, please comment how you feel about the videos, express your views. If some improvement are to be made, please give your valuable feedback and share with your friends in your social media website and Facebook and all the WhatsApp group where you have your study group. Okay, so thank you, see you in the next session.